Hello, welcome to a new section in our course How to Use VI Like a Pro from Edionics. My name is Ahmed. In this section, we are going to explore the search and replace features of VI. VI uses the S command, it's colon S, to start the process of replacement. In its basic form, replacement in VI occurs line by line. So colon S will replace the first occurrence of a specific word or string in a line, okay, and replace it with whatever you want to replace. Even if it was a blank or empty string, it will replace it with it. So for example, if we had a line that has market spelled like this, M-A-K-R-E-T, and you want a correct spelling, so you want to replace every occurrence of this wrong spelling with this one. This command will only replace the first occurrence. If you want to replace it through all the line, you will have to revert to /g. So let's have a look at the syntax once more again. It's colon S and then slash and then the search string followed by a slash followed by the replacement string, and if you want it to be on the whole line, use the /g. Let's have a look at an example in our VI. So we are standing on the first line, we press colon and S, okay, imagine we are here, and then the slash, and then fifth, replaced by sixth, okay. If we press enter, you will see that the first occurrence of the string was only replaced, which is this one. The second one was not. So let's press escape and U to undo the change that we just made. And let's do that again, but this time we want to make it globally across the line. So it's fifth replaced by sixth globally. Okay, you see that? It has replaced all the occurrences of fifth in this line with sixth. It had made two replacements. Okay? Now sometimes you want to make what's called contextual changes. What that means is that you want to make a change on a specific line and you do not want this change to be affected on the other lines. For example, let's say you have a file that has a specific mistake in a range of lines. Let's say from the first line to the fifth line, you see that something is wrong, something is spelled wrong, or for whatever reason you want to make a replacement through this range only. Okay? In this case, you will precede the command with start and finish, okay, and then the S and the old and new. So for example, if you want to change, for example, let's say the word move, okay, well, let's replace it with the word walk. Okay, so we have here move. It is repeated in this line. Let's search for it. It will be more appropriate. So we have move here in this line and in this line. As we said before, if we get set NU, we are going to display the numbers at the left. So it's at number line number 3 and line number 5. Okay, so let's say that we want to change the word move in lines 3 and 5 with the word, let's say, walk. So it will be from 2 to 5, this is the range, and then S, move, walk, and of course the G to make global replacements. Okay, have a look here. Move have been replaced with walk. Of course, this doesn't make any sense if you replaced move with walk, because as you can see, the whole sentence have been damaged. But this is just demonstrating how you can use the powerful search and replace features of VI in order to make context-specific replacements. Now, what if you want to make a global replacement? Maybe you want to make a change in all the file. This is actually most of the time you do this. You make a global change in the whole file and not just in a line or two or in the current line. So to make a global replacement, we use the percentage sign followed by S instead of the colon. And it will be, for example, Let's replace him with her, and we put G at the end, /G, to make it global. Okay, and here it substituted all him strings with her. As you can see here, 3 substitutions on 3 lines. This string was not repeated in the whole file. Let's try another example that might be a little more illustrative. Let's say we'll replace you with they. Okay. As you can see, it made 8 substitutions on 7 lines. It had all the strings that were found in the file replaced just by using the percentage sign followed by an S. So this is how we can use basic replacements in VI.